This video offers reflections on Surah Ghafir, also known as Al-Mu'min, the believer, exploring the themes of faith and tyranny. It is based on the introduction to Tafhim al-Quran by Sayyid Abul Ala Maududi. The time of revelation was a period of intense persecution. The Quraysh launched a two-pronged attack, spreading confusion and misinformation, and plotting the physical elimination of the Prophet ﷺ and the believers. The persecution intensified when Uqba bin Abi Mu'ayt attacked the Prophet ﷺ while he was praying. Abu Bakr radiyallahu ta'ala anhu intervened, challenging the attacker with the words, "Do you kill a man because he says, 'My Lord is Allah'?" In response to the plot in Mecca, Allah reveals a story. The surah transports listeners from Arabia to the court of Fir'aun, the Pharaoh. Prophet Moses, faced the same threat. Fir'aun decided to kill the messenger to solve the problem of truth. Amidst the tyranny, a voice rises. A man from Fir'aun's own family, who had concealed his faith until this critical moment, steps forward. The surah, Al-Mu'min, is named in honor of this man, the hidden hero. He challenged the court's logic, exposing the madness of killing a man who brings clear signs. His argument perfectly echoed the words of Abu Bakr in Mecca. His declaration was, "I entrust my affair to Allah. Indeed, Allah is seeing of His servants." Lesson 1 is addressed to the arrogant. Fir'aun plotted to save his power but failed and was destroyed. The warning is clear. Repeating Fir'aun's methods will not allow anyone to escape his fate. Lesson 2 is for the believers, the armor of tawakkul. When threats loom, the believer seeks refuge in the ultimate power, as stated in the verse. "I seek refuge in my Lord and your Lord, from every arrogant one who does not believe in the day of reckoning." Lesson 3 is directed to the silent. Neutrality in the face of injustice is a moral failure. The believer in Fir'aun's court risked his safety to speak, demonstrating that prudence cannot silence the defense of truth. Despite speaking out, the believer was not harmed. Allah protected him from the evils they plotted, and the people of Fir'aun were enveloped by punishment. Trust in Allah ensures the plot of the evildoer will not succeed. The root of conflict is arrogance, or kibr. The opposition to the Prophet ﷺ is not intellectual doubt, but a struggle for power. It is a battle for authority disguised as a debate on doctrine. Those who dispute the signs of Allah without authority are distracting themselves. The reality of Allah and the hereafter is an immovable object. Fighting against it is an act of self-destruction. The threats of the tyrant are temporary, but the judgment of tomorrow is eternal. The surah warns that those who oppose the truth will regret it when the hour arrives, but regret then will be useless. History repeats, but truth endures. The struggle in Mecca mirrored the struggle in Egypt. Seeking refuge in Allah is the defense against tyranny. Conscience demands that we speak truth to power, regardless of the odds. The concluding thought is a reminder of the steadfastness of the believer, "And I entrust my affair to Allah."